I got horns growing out of top of
All
my
right, we're rolling here.
Okay.
So first of all, you want to tell everybody what your name is and where are you from?
Sure. My name is Bruce Thomas. I'm from Montgomery, Alabama, and I'm MVP for Visual C Sharp.
And what kind of work you do, Bruce?
I am a software architect in and around the Microsoft platform and services.
And so you enjoying the PDC this week so far?
I'm having a great time at PDC.
Heck of a conference, isn't it?
Yes.
You know, everybody I talk to says this is like the premier conference for software developers. You feel the same way?
I would definitely agree with that.
Everyone seems to be just dead on.
Yep.
So you're going to be involved in a project coming up in Atlanta, coming up on, I believe it's December 16th, if I remember correct.
Sounds good. Sounds
Can you tell us the name of that event?
That would be the MSDN Microsoft Developer Conference.
Very good. Okay, otherwise known as the MDC.
Yeah.
And I know you've been attending quite a few sessions this week. You want to tell us about some of the sessions that we're going to be bringing at that event locally in Atlanta?
Right. Yeah. Some of the stuff I've been looking at is a lot of the cloud services. I think there's a lot of exciting things happening with the Azure platform, and it sounds like very exciting stuff. I'm also really excited about the live mesh.
You got that right. Can you tell me a little bit more about the cloud services and what really got you excited there about that particular technology?
Well, I think for a lot of companies, the ability to be able to blend the on-premise and off-premise services and have those communicate seamlessly through the service bus, I think is just an amazing technology. And I think that's really going to grab hold with a lot of the corporate and enterprise customers that I deal with on a daily basis.
I think it's really going to change the playing field, don't you?
Definitely.
It's just a lot of new possibilities. I mean, everything from not having to worry about doing backups and recoveries to availability, it's always there.
Right, and companies could get a chance to focus in on what their business are, not building all of the plumbing and the scaling of hardware that really don't add a whole lot of value to what they do.
So I know you were talking to Glenn today about picking out a different topic. Did you actually decide on a topic to talk about at Atlanta?
Like I said, I'm really excited about a lot of the live mesh stuff, so I'm going to be bringing the live mesh shows with MDC to Atlanta.
Well, you know, I first started looking at live mesh back in July, and it blew me away. The first time I saw it, and I saw the ability to synchronize a mobile device to your machine, to the camera, to whatever else device you got, all in like the click of a button.
Yes.
Just totally blew me away.
Yep.
So I started using this technology on the team I'm working on with the MSDN presenters across the country. And we use the mesh technology as basically a very simple application, a very simple file share, if you will, of keeping a repository of all our documents, for example, our script files, our PowerPoints, and everything we have to do working on our presentations for the given quarter. And what we found is this was just a godsend in always having the latest and greatest available on your machine. And I'll give you an example. We had a case where we were updating the specs on a regular basis. A week went by, I was on vacation, and there were some really good additions made to the specifications and the scripts. And I go to get on my machine. Now normally I get on my machine, I got to do what? I got to go out to the file share, download, I got to compare the dates, see, is this really the latest copy? And you know what? I opened up my mesh folder, and there it was. I already had the latest copy, and I didn't have to do anything. And not only that, I was starting to worry about collisions and overwrites, right, of the technology. And then I found a properties tab on the folder that had version history.
Right.
Are you kidding me?
Yes.
This is all built in.
Well, just like we said earlier, that's what the live services is all about, is taking all of that traditional headache that you would have to deal with, even from a file sharing standpoint, and putting that up so that you can concentrate on the things that you need to concentrate on, not managing a file.
That's right. That's right. Absolutely. Well, listen, we look forward to seeing you present in Atlanta, and is there one final thought that you can provide everybody that's going to be listening to this great audio video file on why they should attend the MDC in Atlanta?
Well, I think like I am blown away here. I think if you come out to Atlanta and see some of the new Microsoft technology, especially the live mesh and the cloud services, I think you too will be like absolutely blown away with this stuff.
That's great. Well, thanks for your time, and enjoy the rest of the week, Bruce.
Great. Look forward to seeing everybody in Atlanta.
Thanks a lot.